Hi everyone, I'm Avisha, the creator of MindSpace, an AI minimal AI powered emotional reflection platform designed for accessibility and privacy. And today I'm here to showcase this very project for the Global Innovation Build Challenge V1 Hackathon. So now the question arises is what is MindSpace? MindSpace is, as I've already mentioned, is an AI powered emotional reflection platform where nobody judges you. The main thing about the current youth is that not even youth, the current generation is actually facing a lot of problems during their mental health, regarding their mental health. And to be honest, the inspiration came from one of my schoolmates who had recently taken the path of what can I say, self harm. Uh, Instead of opening up, this is one of this was actually one of my motivations for this project. So the thing is that if we go into the tech area, so it runs on the API of Google Gemini, and it has two parts. The front end is entirely HTML, CSS, and vanilla Java, whereas JavaScript, whereas the backend is run on Node.js and uses Vercel. So, first of all, this is entirely live hosted, and I will first go over the website, then I will go into the more details about the security implementation that I have made. So, the first time the URL is this mindspace.netlify.app, and so when you open the page, it's really simple actually. It straight up says what it is, and you can just enter your thoughts here. Now the thing is that I have managed to make a continuous chain of conversation, so it feels like a real back and forth conversation instead of just starting a new one every time. So for example, say, "Hi, I am really sad." So, as you see, the AI is thinking and it gives me a reply, "Hello there, how do you do?" and so on, so on. So, it would like to cheer me up. So, if I say, "Can you please cheer me up?" Can you please cheer me up? The bad spelling was there. See, it still understands. Because it runs on the Gemini API, it already has the entire LLM sorted out. And we have a code section here that shows daily codes. And if you go into the Abouts area, it would show about me. I am the creator of this area, and this intelligence tells me about me. And then the reviews. And well, these reviews are actually quite real. These are actually from some of my school friends who have actually tried this. I have actually first launched this a bit ago, long ago, but the no work was actually done. Recently, I have updated and taken out the charge. So these reviews are actually from my friends, and the support pages, this is for me actually currently because the servers are running entirely on Netlify and Vercel, so those are free, but the AI API users are entirely running on my cost and I am contributing entirely to it and whatever. So this was the MindSpace for the front end. Now if you go to the security measure, that is the backend area, so what I have done is, first features is that the backend is quite safe in the sense that no DDoS will happen. So if you continuously try to ping it for if you try to send miss packages, so it has a 2 second timer of continuous packages, and when that timer reach, it will automatically cut the connection. First, second is strict origin verification. Now the thing is that if you look in the code, okay, my backend is, this is exactly my backend, so anyone can just ping this, and anyone can just fetch a request from here, send the prompt, and anyone can get the reply. So I am just leaking my API again. So for that I have implemented course origin verification. What does that mean is, say this is the thing. Okay, look at here, origin is, this is my origin. Okay, this is the origin area. So if I send this, I am sending hi, and this gives me a proper reply like hello there and so on, so on. But say I change the origin to GitHub, or some, I'm using GitHub for this example, it is straight cut say forbidden. For this it is also true that you cannot just because it's hosted on GitHub, you cannot just copy and paste it here also, because if you go to the local host area. Okay, wait a sec. Let me find it. Okay, there you go. Index. Okay, so currently I'm on the local host, as you can see, and if you check the main origin area here, okay, okay, it's on actually. If I send hi or anything like that, it is straight cut say error 403. What does that mean? It is the forbidden. The course error had forbidden me. It means that this is quite safe from the backend area. First, second, and there was the thing about the protection from DDoSing and continuous pinging. And third is this is entirely privacy first. What that means is that none of your data is getting saved anywhere. The entire code is in just basic things. So there is no SQL or any databases linked to take your data and learn or do anything with it first. And similarly, you do not have to log in. The thing is that most of these websites require a login or a subscription. Okay, this is where MindSpace differs actually. It is entirely privacy first. Like we take the matter of privacy very seriously. And similarly, we do not store any data, and it is entirely free to use anywhere, any time, anywhere. And so, well, that was that, and this is the entire thing. Well, it was made as a part of my urge to learn more about hackathons and about my general coding. Well, then it's the end for today, I guess. See ya. See you guys all later. Thank you. Have a nice day.